whip and a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod.
Hey guys, it's your boy Kyler Ron, and I have a video that may help out some of you Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 guys with the headlight conversion. So let's get into it. So what the truck originally came with was the shitty ass quad headlights. Didn't like that, and I knew I was gonna get the projector ones. So in the meantime, I found these on Facebook Marketplace. Went ahead and bought them. From there, jumped on CarID. I'm gonna put all the information you need in the description below. So check that out. Y'all see all the parts. But anyway, so these beaties are from CarID. Now, all they say is on the description is I think OEM replacement projector headlights for 13 and up. So this truck is a 2012 Dodge Ram. Obviously it's not 13, but these headlights do work, and I just confirmed that. I'm fucking happy. You don't have to use the retro, I think it's retroshop adapter kit. There's an option when you're checking out on CarID. You just put in that you have the dual headlights as opposed to the truck already is coming with the projector. Here it is. So here is the actual adapter, and I'll bring it back out. With this adapter, you have these big ass, bulky ass, I guess they're resistors, if you will, and you're supposed to ground them. So as of right now, I didn't even ground that one in. I just plugged it up and it works. So this cable will go in the back of your headlights, and then these two cables go to your what's already wired in the truck. It's a simple plug and play, very straightforward. Yeah, man, I just wanted to let y'all know because it was just a trial and error. If it didn't work, I was gonna send them back, but obviously it does work. Fucking satisfied, and yeah. What's up, guys? So here's the installation of the adapter you're gonna need to run these beautiful projectors. Is use the retroshop, pay $135 for the retroshop adapter, and you'll be good. So took a leap of faith and went on CarID and picked up these adapters. Now the only difference that I can tell is just these resistors, they're gonna be a little bit fatter. So what I did on that side was found a little hole. First I grounded it. They come with the self-tapping screws. So just tap the hole in there and stuck them back there, fit flushly. And as you can see, the headlight fits pretty damn good. Turn it off so it won't blare you. So pretty flush on there, and they look damn good, man. So these adapters, they will work. This is the 2012 Ram 3500 Mega Cab, and like I said, if they didn't work, I was just gonna go with the retroshop ones. But these are from CarID. When you're doing the checkout, it does say 13 plus Ram models, so don't be alarmed by that, because obviously they do work. But when you're doing a checkout, select the I think it's quad or non-projector. Select that your truck is coming with without projector headlights, and then it will give you that selection. You click the box, and it's additional $75 for this kit. So you save a little bit of money. Like I said, it's just a style. And the retrofit ones, they're $135. The ones from CarID are $75. So you do the math right there, how much money you're saving. Like I said, it's plug and play. So this is coming directly from, I already got one hooked up right here. So it goes in there, and then this is, it even has that option. This is for your signals. You can see that. So this one's gonna go in here. I'll do it. I'm fucking have my iPhone in my hand, so. But yeah, guys, super easy plug and play. And once you get this hooked up to there, this one just goes into the headlight, which is in the house right now. So yeah, man, just wanted to help anybody out, because I know it's kind of alarming when you see it won't fit your model, but I mean, obviously it does. And yep.